Alright, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to play some more of the Walking Dead Survival Instinct today. Last episode we got Merle. There he is. I'm assuming that's him on the left. We can't access him for some reason. Alright. But yeah, last episode we got Merle's fucking ass. And now we're at the Cherokee Sawmill. I think that's where we are. God damn, these scary ass noises. Oh shit, that's right. Damn it, I don't have a rifle. I gave it to that cop, so I don't have a rifle anymore. God damn it. Let's transfer to ER. Yeah. I guess we'll just chill. Don't really have a lot of ammo. We need more melee weapons. What are you good? What are you? Prefers shotguns and is reckless. So what if I told you to find ammo? Nah. Just stay out of the car. I don't wanna, unless, is it 60% all the way through? Yeah. Stay out of the car, girl. I'll go in. Yeah.
So you're just gonna waltz up there, knock on the door, and ask to borrow a cup of meds?
Now, what do you want me to do? You're sick as a dog and you need medicine. You didn't want to go to a hospital.
Let's just go join my crew at Jake's. They got what we need.
Yeah, we gotta get there first. Traveling ain't so easy these days.
I'm coming with you then.
Yeah? You can barely walk. I mean, just stay put. Rest up. Anything happens, just call me.
Fine.
I'm going solo. Okay. Merle's left with fucking Mia, so he's gonna try some stuff. Just throwing me right here in front of the walkers, okay?
Oh, hell.
What do you got?
You got eaters in here, too.
Oh yeah, 'cause this was a safe area. Damn it. Holy shit, dude. God damn, this is loud. Turning it down a little bit so if I get jump scared it won't be as bad. Is there one behind me? God damn it. I don't like this. Bitch. Shit. It's a ladder. Can I climb up here? Ooh, some ammo. Pistol ammo. High-powered handgun. I got another one of those. Might as well. There's some loot back here that I want. Bitch. Rifle ammo. Okay. Holy fucking. You fucking bitch. Fuck you.
Attention. We got ghouls near the stacks. Try and get a ladder.
Okay.
I heard that. Ain't they being neighborly?
Yeah, they aren't shooting at me. Not yet.
Damn it, people. We got to keep a sharper watch. Travis, get a group out there to check the west fences. There's a hole out there somewhere. Watch for stragglers. It only takes one to ruin your day.
Okay, so there's people alive here. Okay. That's great to hear. Oh, fuck. Oh. Two flares. Fuck me. You bitch. What are you doing, fucker? Get your ass out of here. Holy shit. God damn. There are a lot over there. I'm not supposed to be in here. There. Another pistol. Alright. Hey, MRE. Actually, go ahead and eat that.
Better already.
Ooh, whoa. Ooh, I got a new gun. Yeah. Bitch. Ooh, that's powerful. Oh, I like that. Ooh, I like that. Then my inventory's already full. Pretty sure I'm not supposed to go out there. Alright, is that it for this building, it looks like. Oh, is that a hammer? I already don't need that.
Gotcha.
Shit. Okay, good.
I see one way they're getting in. Might be able to block them off.
Valerie, goons are broken through. Get over here and help. We've called for military assistance, but there's only one recon chopper in the area. They won't get here in time.
Oh fuck. Push this bitch.
There. That'll hold them.
There we go. You, should I push it more? No. God damn it. Alright. Ooh, gas.
All full up.
God damn, I'm full. Fuck, we gotta drop something. Drop these flares, fuck those. And we'll drop that too. There we go.
Finders keepers.
Jesus. There are so many in here. Dumbass. Can I get any sense? Come on, you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Wait, what? Can I get in there? Oh shit, I can. Okay.
Not bad.
Might as well. I have so many fucking drinks. Okay. How do I pause again? Optional, find a way. I already did that. There's one collectible here somewhere. I guess we'll try to find more fuel. Yeah, buddy. Oh god. What's up, bitch? Woo! Goddamn. Oh god. Oh god. God damn it. Damn it.
There. Better already.
Okay. Fuck, dude. How the fuck did it not hear me? Okay. God damn it. Get the fuck out of here. Shit. Fuck you. Yeah. Oh, there's a collectible. Yay! I knew it had to be on one of these goddamn tents. I'm trying to get in over there. Are there nothing in these tents though? There are propane tanks everywhere. Are there seriously like just one dead walker in every one? They're all the same. Oh, they're kissing! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? You stop kissing! Someone else is hitting me. Damn, bitch! What the hell was going on? There's like 5 walkers in here and 2 beds. What the shit? Let me execute you. God damn it.
Not bad.
I like searching around, man. Oh, that's a person. There's a person over there. So there must be... There's gotta be a way to get over there. Get some gas too. Nice.
Useful.
Food supply. Oh wait, I could trade with someone then.
Who's left? Come on back, anyone. Valerie, report in.
Whoa, look at that helicopter. This might
Travis, you there?
be... Shit.
Travis.
Not bad.
Hold on, can I trade with you?
to be something here.
Can I take that? No.
You're alive? Maybe you can help. I got separated from my aunt. I'm trying to stay alive long enough to find her. You got any food you could spare? I found some gas. You can have it. Thanks. Here's what I promised. Good luck out there. I have to keep searching for my aunt.
Searching for your aunt. Oh, 15. Holy shit. Damn, that was easy. It was just right around the corner, too. Oh, secret.
Need at least one of these.
Secret 2 bullets.
Get over here.
Pick up Merle's medicine. God damn, that's a lot of shit, bro. I got Merle's medicine.
Couldn't anyway. Couldn't anyway.
Come here. Can I pick him off right here? Ah, that'd be cool.
Couldn't anyway.
What are you talking about, dude? Mike.
You're the stranger then. Was it worth it? All of this? We had a good thing going here. A little way station.
What? I didn't do
Goons
anything.
kept outside. I was able to protect these people. Why'd you do it?
Me? I didn't do this. Too bad about your camp, but I didn't cut no fence.
Yeah, I ain't do this shit.
Look, my brother.
Killed a lot of walkers
he's
though.
Real sick. We know you got meds. So the reason we came here.
Meds? Yeah, I suppose. Guess that's all I got now. Is this enough to buy me a ticket out of here?
Yeah, man, that's more than enough.
Main gate is that way. It's still blocked, last I saw. You gotta cut through the sawmill to get out. It's gated too. Here's the code key.
Oh
I
shit.
got more ammo stashed. I'm gonna grab it, and I'll meet you at the gate. Hopefully.
I already took your ammo, dude. Alright.
Oh, those meds.
I told you I'd meet you. Get a move on. Watch out for the splitter blades. They'll make lunch meat out of you.
Splitter blades. You gotta be kidding me. Alright. Fuck. Shit, dude. Hey, help me. Trying to pick him off. I really can't see shit. God. What's over here? There's like they're... Oh God. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, spitting on you.
Shit, dude. What the fuck? What the hell? God damn it. Drink Gatorade.
Better already. Oh, that's better.
Oh. Oh God, I can't not stop.
What the hell's all that racket?
That's all good, don't sweat it.
Come on, girl, get your ass down here!
Oh God, I'm trying.
Hell, the whole guy's already here! What is he? 4 times older than you?
Shut the fuck
Oh,
up.
shut the hell up, Merle.
God damn it. Ah! Shit. Can I get on? Fuck. Fuck. Got our collectible. Alright. Jesus. Alright, let's go. What a time of day and night. The bedroom community of Tagarit is notable for the lighthouse, one of the few remaining drive-in theaters still open in this part of the county. Whoa. Alright. Yeah, we have a lot. I mean, we could go to the back roads then. Oh god, are we gonna stop? Already. There's a mechanic garage and may have supplies. Keep driving or search garage. I mean, we might as well search. It can't hurt. It can't hurt, right? Alright.